Sundan mo lang yung nag-shoot ng bola. Sundan mo lang yung nag-shoot ng bola. Sige, kapila.
BMS versus Tripula. Campbell. Number 12, dribble the ball. Number 21, pass the ball. Turnover. BMS ball. Number 12.
Ano po si Jess, ano?
Pass to number 1. Drive. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass break to number 1.
Nice.
Number 45.
Yun.
No good. Rebound by number 65.
Start Ron.
Number 13. Number 18.
Randy.
Ten seconds. Number 1. Left. No good. Right by number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1 again. Left. Yes, counted. Number 1. Number 18, dribbling the ball. 15. Number 1. 10. Number 1 counted. 16. 15. 10. Number 16. BMS. Dribbling the ball. Shoot. Yes, counted. Number 16. Number 1. Pass to number 16. 3 point. Wrong. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Grab the ball. Foul. Who's called right? Number 45. Sige. 2 free throw. First attempt. No good. Last throw.
Jess, kanina pa rin hindi na dumating.
Count. Number 1. Number 45. Shoot the ball. No good. Rebound by number 65. No. Number 1. Carry the ball. 15. Number 16. Dribble. Passing to number 1. No good. Rebound by number 65. Pass to number 1. Violation. Number 12 out. Number 1, looking for a teammate. Number 16 to number 65. Number 9 get the ball. Shoot. Number 1 pass to number 18. Number 17, no good. Clear run. Number 8 pass to number 18. Foul. Number 9 of BMS. Substitution rep.
Batang bata.
Technical.
Tama, wala pa ako damit.
Bakal. Inbound. Triple out there. Pass to number 15. 17, shoot the ball. No good. Rebound by number 15. No good again. Rebound by BMS, number 1. Number 1, rip the ball. Fourth. And no good. Rebound by number 16. Counted. Number 1. Number 17. 10 seconds. Kick ball. BMS ball. Number 1. Drag the ball. Counted. Number 1, 2 points. No foul. Number 8. Number 5. Pass to number 9. Shield out. Counted. 2 points. Number 17. Spin move. Shoot the ball. Charging foul, number 17. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 16. 16 looking for a teammate. Pass inside, pass to number 19. Running the ball, pass to number 15. No good. Number 17. No good again. Number 17. No good again. Number 17. Number 15. Yes. Number 15 counted. Nabo. Okay, good. Number 5 of BMS dribbling the ball. Dinrive ang bola. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Yes, 2 points. First quarter. The score is 11-6. in favor of BMS.
Ten daw, 10 ba natin? 10. Kasi may oras pa na.
Our score is 6-11 in favor of BMS Detailing. Game on.
Kuya, anong unit daw to? Tatanong kay Arnold. Anong unit? Unit ba? Unit?
417.
Number 15, tumira ng 3. Bang! Number 15, trip.
Sa ano, sa may
12, 15.
Houston Bulldogs.
Counted. Foul number 15. The score is 9-30. Bonus free throw by number 18. Short. Number 18, pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 18. No good. Nakuha ni number 9. Rebound by number 9. Tinira no good again. 65. Blocked by number 10. Same ball. Number 5. Pass to number foul. Who's foul? Number 16. Sorry.
65.
Number 16. Pinasa ka number 15. Pass to number 16. Wait. No good. Na-rebound ng number 10. 5. 3 seconds. 2. 1. Not counted. Shot clock.
Shot clock.
Not counted.
Not counted. Shot clock. Dito yung oras. Dito yung oras.
Not counted. Sorry. Wala. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 12, nakuha ulit ang bola. 10 seconds. Pass to number 18. Number 18, tinira. Go. Line ball. Number 15, pinasa kay number 41, counted. Number 45, 2 points. Good. Number 18, looking for teammate. Number 65, 8. 5 seconds. Number 10, pinasa kay number 1. Number 1. Number 15. 5 17. Nabog. Time out BMS. Score 30. Time remaining 6 minutes and 34 seconds. His score is 4-13. BMS ball. Number 9. Number 12. Out to Birang Atras. Number 16. Defensive rebound. Last touch by Blue. Ball. Number 9. Number 16. Pass to 65. 65. Foul. Number 10. 2 free throw. First free throw. Sorry. Last throw. Foul by number 10. Number 45 to number 1. Number 16. No good. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9 to number 16. 15 seconds. Anticipated by number 1. Number 1. Drive. Foul. Number 65. Number 65. Wow.
Second.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Stop.
Substitution rep. Number 17 in. Number 10 out. First free throw. No good. Last throw. All 13. Counted. Score is 14-13 in favor of RRR. Yes. Number 12. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Driving the ball. Shoot. No. Rebound by number 15. Number 16. Counted. The score is 16-13. 3-point lead by 3 points. Number 9 to number 12. Number 16 to number 65. Number 65. Yes, counted. Number 65. 2 balls. 3 minutes remaining. 15 seconds remaining. Last touch by number 1. Black. Time remaining 12 minutes, 12 seconds. Number 16, Pinera. Nakuha na number 1. Anticipated by number 1. Number 1 pass to number 17. Lumea. No good. Number 17. Yes. 2 points. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 65. Number 65. Dribbling the ball. Tindera. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha number 17. Forty-five. 15 seconds remaining. 45. Tindera. No goal. 17. Anticipated the ball. Tindera. No good. Lando. Sabret. Substitution. 5-18 in. Number 9 and number 65 out. Number 1, tumira na 3. Wala. nakuha ni number 18. Number 1. Gilrad. Yes, number 1. 2 points. 8 and 17 in favor of Triple R. Nabong pinasa kay number 17. Number 21, shoot. Number to number 16. Wala. Nakuha ulit ang bola. Pinasa kay number 18. Semo. Last touch by 16. Number 16. Naistilan ni number 1. Number 1 pinasa kay number 5. Sorry. Number 18. Number 1, 3 points, no good. Number 1. Foul. Number 12 of BNS. Substitution ref. 16 out. Number 9 in. 45 seconds remaining. Number 21. Nabong, tumira ng 3. Wala na kuha ni number 12. 31 seconds remaining. Number 1, still. Number 17, tumira, counted. 16 minutes remaining. 16 minutes, 10, 9, number 12, 3 points, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, counted. Counted. Number 1, 3 points. The score is 25-20 in favor of Triple R. Nice rep.
Stop the clock. Yeah, that's nice.
Lalagnatin na.
Yeah.
Para gol.
I think they respect the team.
Bring it in. Next defense. Nice defense. Shot clock. Nice one. Good boy, Barry.
Check.
Go Dex! Kaya mo yan!
2. 15 seconds, shot clock. 10 seconds, shot clock. Blue ball. Blue balls. Traveling. Violation. Nice red. Number 18, the ball. Nope. Rebound by 21. And we got a foul. Substitution. Substitution. Number 1 in. Number 16, second personal foul. BMS. Number 1. 15 seconds. Counted by number 1. The score is 31-22 in favor of Triple R. Number 10, pinasakan number 16 by number 17, counted. Number 5. Tinitable ni number 21, pinasakay number 1. Go! 15 seconds. 10. Defensive rebound pa rin. Number 1, tinira, wala pa rin. Good. Number 1. Last touch. It's blue ball. Blue ball. Number 10. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 16. Number 21. Dribbling. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Nakuha number 45. Number 17. Try the ball. No ball. Number 21. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Bola. Number 1. Tumira. Foul. Push foul. Substitution rep. Number 16 out. Number 15 in. Substitution. Number 12 in. BMS inbounding the ball. The score is 33-22 in favor of Triple R. Number 5, number 12. Pinasa kay number 18. 21 content. 2 points by number 21. 33-24. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. Number 5. The bola. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 21. Foul by number
Time out.
21.
Time out.
Time Time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds in the third quarter.
Tuloy ang clock. Sa fourth quarter lang yung last 3 minutes. Stop clock. Fourth quarter. Hinihingi ka sa gitna. Ikaw sa side.
Let's go. The score is 33-24. Time remaining in the third quarter. 3 minutes. Both teams have 2 fouls. Number 12, tumira ng 3. Bengay. Number 12, 3 points. 33-27 is the score. 15 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. Number 1, pinasa ka number 15. Number 15, wala. 2, 1, and shot clock violation. Number 21. Pinasa ka number 12. Number 12, tumila ng 3. Wala. Nakuha na number 15. Nabong. Jambo. Between number 5 and number 15. Diado.
Bali, hawak muna. Bali.
Ay.
Hawak muna. Bago dribble.
Possession arrow pala. Possession arrow. By triple R. Number 1. Ban. Dribbling the ball. Sinalaksak. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 18. 15 seconds. Tinira na number 21. Wala. Nakuha na number 17. Number 17. Foul by number 12 BMS.
Second.
Foul ng BMS is 3. 21. Pinasa kay number 15. Nabong. Naghahanap ng mapangkaan. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 1. 10 seconds. Foul. Who's foul right? Number 16. 2 free throw by number 15. Nabong. 40 seconds remaining.
Tuck in.
No good. Last free throw.
Hey, Rod.
Takin.
Ref technical. Number 5. Di nagtatak in. Number 21. Dribbling the ball. Number 21. Pinira. Pinasa sa sarili. Outside. 10 seconds remaining. 21. Number 17. 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. The score is 33-27. Score lead by Triple R. Last corner.
I think he did already. Yeah. No, because it was jumping before. That's why we just put it there. Yeah, we did.
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
33-27. Lead by Triple R. Okay. Number 21. Pass to number 12. Number 65. Pinasa ulit sa kalaban. Number 5. Pinasa kay Van. Number 12. Content. The score is 35-27, 8-point lead by Tricolor. Number 12. Number 1, foul by number 10. Blocking foul, number 10. Number 21, counted. Knockout play by number 21. Number 25, point lead by Tricolor, 35-29. 15 remaining. 10 seconds. Number 1. 5 seconds. Tumira test, 1 up. Only number 65. 65. Learn the ball. Walang ganun na mapapasahan. Hindi pinasa. Pinasa ka number 1. Foul. Number 1. 2 free throw by number 1. The score is 35-29. 8 minutes remaining. Last throw. Number 1 counted. 5-point lead by Tricolor. 8 minutes remaining. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds remaining. Shoot. Na-rebound na number 16. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa ka number 21. Number 21, pinira. Nakuha ulit ang rebound. Number 12. Counted by number 12. Only 3-point lead, 35-32. 1. Sila lang sa... Yes! 36. 37-32. 5-point lead. Number 21. 15 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Number 1, 3 on press. Wala. Nakuha din number 40. 16. Substitution right. Substitution. Sub. Five-point lead. Time remaining 6 minutes. Number 10, Pinira. Yes, counted, number 10. 7-point lead by Tricolor. Time remaining 6 minutes and 19 seconds. 15 minutes on the shot clock. Number 21, pinasa kay number 1. Pinira. Wala na number 17. Number 17, pinasa kay number 16. Number 16, pinira. Wala. Nakuha na number 21. Oh, foul. And then, oh, sorry. BMS ball. Last touch by Tricolor. Number 21. Number 9, Pinira ng test. Good. Blue ball. 39-32. 7-point lead by Tricolor. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. 45 Pinira. Wala. Nakuha ng BMS. Foul. Counted. Foul by number 1. Number 1, 3 fouls. Bonus free throw by number 9. 5-point lead by Triple R, 39-34. Good. Nakuha ulit yung number 1. Number 1, Tinira. Walang foul. Foul. Foul by number 1 of BMS. 4 minutes remaining. Seconds on the shot clock. Tinira number 17. Number 9. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 21. Balak tumira ng pasa. 15 seconds. Tinira number 18 counted. The score is 41-36. Only 5-point lead by Triple R.
Next time out kami, next time out. Pagdating ng 3 minutes, stop clock na.
15 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 10. Number 1 pinasa kay number 45. Wala. Number 1. Nakuha na number 21. 21. Pinasa kay number 9. Tumira ng 3. Wala.
Time out.
Time out.
Stop clock na.
Time out. Triple R. 3 minutes remaining. Stop clock na tayo, ha? Stop clock. Stop clock. 3 minutes remaining. Score is 41-36. 5-point lead by Triple R. Timeout brought to you by Mimi.
Dalawa lang, no? Fourth quarter. Dalawa lang.
It's the light. 41.
Ang time out, kahit ang time out sa court.
Okay, game ball. The score is 41-36. 3 minutes remaining. Same ball. BMS inbounding the ball. Pinasa kay number 18. Number 18. Number 1. Naghanap na mapapasahan. Pinasa kay number 9. 15 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Number 16, Tinera. Tapos, nakuha number 17, foul by number 18.
Second.
Number 1. 5-point lead by Triple R. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 15, 5 seconds. Kick ball. 3 minutes. Continue. 14 seconds. Nabong, tinira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha na number 17. 17. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na 17. Pinasa ang bola. Number 1. Tinira. Counter. Then 1. Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Number 15, foul. Nabong. 41-38 with a bonus free throw by BMS. Ilang foul si Nabong? Nabong, dalawa ng foul mo. Time remaining 2 minutes and 5 seconds. The bonus free throw, pumasok. Only 2 more lead. 41-39 in favor of Triple R. 15 minutes on the shot clock. Number 45. 10 minutes on the shot clock. Number 15. 5. Tinira. Wala. Nakuha na number 21. 41-39 ang score.
hanggang dito. 15.
Who's foul ref? Number 15, third personal foul. Third personal foul by number 15. 2 free throw by number 21. His score is 41-39. Magandang laban to. First free throw. Pumasok. 41-40. Looking for a tie. Last throw. Triple go for number 21. The scores all 41. Looking for a pass. It's BMS ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 16 seconds. Wala na. Napasa na. Dapat sinabi mo mga kanina. Number 21. Naghahanap ng bababasaan. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Tinira. Nakuha na number 21. Press shot clock. 21 pinasa kay number 16. 16 tinira. Foul!
Tamat.
Penalty na ba?
Tamat. Ay, ni Bol.
Time remaining is 45 seconds. The score is all 41. The score is all 41. Last throw. Wala. Ball free throw. Bonus. Bonus free throw.
Let's go. Okay.
All 41, all 41. 43 seconds remaining.
Sige, rebound.
Last throw. Pumasok. Lamang na po ang BMS ng 1 point. Number 1. Foul. Who's foul?
Time out.
Time out. BMS.
Meron pa naman isa eh.
Dapat pinatira mo muna kasi. Two free throw by number 1. But score is 41-42. Lamang po ang BMS ng 1 point.
Bigat ang triple.
Wala.
Last row, number 1. Shoot. All 42. 35 remaining. Ang amoy overtime to 15 seconds on the shot clock.
3 points.
10 on the shot clock.
3 points.
Number 9, Pinera, hindi pumasok. Number 17. 17. Nagkaroon na babawasan. 12, 11, 9, 8, 6, 5, time out. Who's time out? Time out by triple out.
I like that.
Wala na silang turn out na.
Time out, ha?
Yung shot clock. 4 seconds ba yun? O tama yun? Tama yan?
Nahuli lang yung nagsasalta.
Sorry.
And 7
Time remaining 2 points, 2 minutes, 2 seconds and 7 tenths of a seconds. Ball 42.
Hindi pa kami penalty, ha? Hindi pa? Wala pa. Wala pa.
Nangangamoy overtime. Last shot.
Millisecond.
Last shot. Number 16, Camila. Hindi pumasok. Overtime.
Ganda. Ilang tayo lang
Overtime.
wala nang time out pa yan? Ano magbibigyan ng isa-isa? Wala na. Dapat, wala ba?
2 minutes.
Kuya Ran, isa na.
Oras pa tayo, may oras pa.
Kuya Ran, yung time out lang yung sa BMS, isa lang nagamit nila, di meron pa isa.
Wala. Hindi kayo over.
Time out. I think they one. Still going. Yeah.
Okay, may fault. Mayroon tayo. 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Okay. Overtime. Yeah.
2 minutes lang.
Sa inyo?
Bola natin.
2 minutes. 2 minutes na lang.
Continuous lang mga context. Stop clock.
Stop clock?
Stop clock daw.
Hindi. Ano lang naman.
Mga PMS. Number 1. Foul. Foul number 65.
Tatlo na yun, ha?
65. Third personal foul. First throw, hindi pumasok. Last throw. Hindi pumasok. Yes, counted. Maganinong bola. Who's ball? And foul. Foul number 16. Penalty. Penalty.
Sino penalty? Sino penalty?
Kayo po. Kayo po.
Kami ba yung...
Light. Kayong light.
Kami light?
Oh.
Akala ko baliktad.
First free throw counted. Last throw. Second is good. Oh! 44. Time remaining. 1 minute and 46 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, dribbling the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pinasa kay number 10. 5 seconds. Number 15 tumira ng 3. Number 21. Pinasa kay number 1. 15 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 21. 65 tinira. Pumasok. Time out. Lamang na po ang BMS ng 2 points.
Hilahin mo.
Okay. 1 minute in 3 seconds. Lamang na po ang BMS ng 2 points. Through ball up in the... seconds. Number 21. Well ball to Sumut. 44, 48, lamang na po ang BMS ng 4 points. Number 1, foul. Charlie foul by number 1. Penalty.
Wala.
Hindi ba? Offensive.
Haras.
32 seconds. Number 1 for foul. Number 1. Seconds. $86 seconds. Number 21. 15 on the shot clock. Nakuha pa ng blue. Bam. 10. Tumira ng 3. Pumasok. Wala. Nakuha ng number 18.
Wala.
Nanalo na ang number blue. Nakasilag pa ang BMS. 44-48.
Kanino to? Kanino to?